Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we're diving into a stylish, feature-packed device that's redefining the way we stay connected and healthy. Meet the ZOSKVEE Smart Watch for women and men. This smartwatch isn't just about checking the time. It's a complete package with a sleek design, the ability to dial and answer calls, health tracking, and so much more. Whether you're looking for functionality, fashion, or convenience, this watch delivers it all. Stick around as we unbox, explore its top features, and see if it's the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on exciting tech reviews like this one. Let's jump in. The ZOSKVEE Smart Watch is the perfect blend of style and functionality, ideal for both women and men. With its 1.85 HD screen, it delivers a sleek and vibrant display while offering the convenience of making and answering calls. This fitness tracker boasts 100+ sports modes, a heart rate monitor, and waterproof design, making it your ultimate health companion. Compatible with both iPhone and Android, it ensures seamless integration into your daily routine. Elevate your lifestyle with this versatile and stylish smartwatch in stunning blue. Stay connected and active with the Smart Watch for men and women, featuring Alexa built-in and a vibrant 1.83-inch display. This fitness tracker is compatible with both iPhone and Android, making it your perfect daily companion. With IP68 waterproofing and over 100 sport modes, it's built for every adventure. Track your health effortlessly with a pedometer, heart rate, SpO2, stress, and sleep monitor. Stylish, durable, and packed with features, this smartwatch redefines convenience and fitness. Stay connected in style. The 1.91 HD screen smartwatch is the perfect blend of function and fashion. With its sleek navy blue design, this smartwatch allows you to answer and make calls effortlessly. Monitor your heart rate, sleep, and steps, and choose from 110+ sports modes for tailored tracking. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures durability during any activity. Elevate your fitness journey while staying on top of your life. The ZOSKVEE smartwatch is the perfect blend of style and functionality, designed for both iOS and Android users. With its call answering feature, IP68 waterproof rating, and sleek gray finish, it's ideal for daily wear. This fitness tracker monitors heart rate, sleep, steps, and calories, keeping your health in check with precision. The intuitive interface and versatile design make it suitable for both men and women. Stay connected and active effortlessly with this modern, feature-packed smartwatch. Stay connected and active with the 2024 HD 1.91 smartwatch. This sleek smartwatch lets you make and answer calls, tracks over 110 sports, and monitors heart rate, sleep, and calories with precision. Its IP68 waterproof design makes it perfect for workouts or outdoor adventures. Compatible with Android and iOS, it's the ultimate fitness and lifestyle companion. Elevate your health and style today.